What's up, family? Welcome back again at my beautiful channel. Uh, Thank you so much for joining my channel. For those who were new and you have recently joined, thank you so much. I don't take it for granted. I'm really humble to you. Thank you so much. So it's another good day. It's on Tuesday. It's around 10. It's around 10. Today I didn't make any breakfast over here. I just decided today to balance the equation, whereby I'll be making my food over here around inside my apartment. Yeah, and welcome. But also, if you are new to this channel, you are just passing by, don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share, so as to take me, because I'm in the road to 1,000 subscribers. So take me there, and I'll be thankful and humble to you. Thank you so much. So today, my vlog is about cooking. I'll be cooking my this, I don't know how can I call it, because I didn't have breakfast. So let me just call it lunch. Yeah, I'll be cooking my lunch over here. I went to the market. I purchased some vegetable. This is sukuma and tomato. Here I had some onions. So I'm going to prepare them step by step. This is how today's lunch is made over here in East Africa. And before going on, for those who don't know, I am Freddy Muller. Yes, I'm Freddy Muller, coming live from East Africa, Kenya. Bohanse village. It's very cold. It's very cold outside there. Very cold. Yeah, I'm Freddy Muller, coming live from East Africa, Kenya. Bohanse village. Yeah, I'm a village boy. As you can see here, trying to make natural food. No any I don't know his recipe. The things that you mix in food so as it can have taste. I don't have. I'm not a person of using a lot of recipe. I don't know recipe. I don't know it very well, but the things that you mix in any food so as you can add taste. Yes. So here I'm just preparing my onions, though they have stayed for a long time. They stayed for a long time. Wow, yeah guys, so you know this food, how we prepare it, it's not easy. But it's very delicious in our bodies, because it is a natural. It is natural made, not from supermarket, not any chemical added. So it stays natural. It adds some good things in our bodies, you know. And let me know what type of vegetable do you like mostly. Yeah, let me know. Maybe one time if it is found here, I can try my best and cook it and test and hear how does it taste. Let me know in comment section what type of vegetable do you like. Let me know. For me, here in Kenya, I like mostly I like this is what we call managu. I like mostly managu, but Getting it here, it's not easy actually. I'm not a fan of skuma because mostly skuma disturbs my stomach, you know. Skuma disturbs my stomach, so I don't prefer eating it daily. But sometimes I miss it and then I use. But the mostly vegetable which I really like, I don't know, but I don't know it in English. But hope most of you have been watching some other people's channel, maybe you know it. It is a green vegetable. Yes, it is like chicha. I don't know chicha. Most of vegetable, I don't know them in Swahili, in English. Yeah, but let me know for you, according to you, what type of vegetable do you prefer, or do you mostly like, or you only like meat? You know, there are some other people that tell you that, oh, for me eating a vegetable, I'm not an animal. I'm not a goat. Goats are the one eating vegetables, or cows. So for them, only meat, fish, yeah, things like that. But here in Africa, mostly we like the green vegetables, you know, but also meat. Yeah, we like meat. I hope here about 80%, but that is according to me, according to my understanding. Most of us we like meat. In a group of 10 people, you might get only one person is not taking meat. So most of us, we really like meat. So that's step one. I was just preparing my onions. So step two. Here's my onion. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to wash my vegetable. This is my vegetable, which I'm just going to prepare it. You know, this is from the farm, so it has some chemicals. But most of the people, I don't see them washing. They just put it as the way it is. Most of people here in Kenya, just see them, they just cook it as the way it is. If you tell them, why don't you wash, they tell you it is already washed from the farm, you know. But for me, I just prefer washing by myself, because everybody cares about himself, you know. They don't care about you. You are the one to care about yourself. So if you think he cares about you, or she cares about you, you are wrong. So I think one time I'll try the outdoor cooking. Yeah, it's just There are some things I'm just putting them properly, but I hope one time I'll try the outdoor cooking. Yeah, I'll try my level best, the outdoor cooking. I'm just putting my calculations and my balance well, because outside cooking, it is somehow expensive. Yeah, I'll try one time. I'll try and cook a very delicious meal and very natural, very natural. And most of you'll be in shock, you know. Most of you will be in shock that how did I made it? How? Everyone will be like, hey, how? So I have good things for you, my subscribers, and I really hope you really enjoy more and more. So what I just tell you, don't ever miss any video from Fred Muller's channel. Don't try to miss, because good things are coming. Yeah, just try to be humble. Bear with me. Sometimes my English, sometimes sometimes maybe my video don't have good quality or whatever, but just bear with me, because I believe in Jesus. I hope good things are just coming. They are on the way, so about the quality, about whatever, I hope soon things are going to change, and I will try my best to do amazing in cooking videos. Cooking. Cooking, it's your own. It's you, like you. But the big problem with cooking, it needs money. Type of content needs money. And in case you can see, I'm not yet monetized, so but I'll try my best so as I can try, because I like cooking, guys. I like cooking, especially the outdoor cooking. I like mostly. I have a lot of crazy ideas in cooking. A lot of crazy ideas in cooking, especially the outdoor cooking. Yeah, I can cook the same thing, but with different styles. Yeah. Like here you can see these are onions, and this is just a single tomato. Yeah. Guys, you can see it is ready. So what I'm just going to do here, I'm just let me turn off. Yeah, and then from there, I'm just going to shift from this. I'm going to shift from this for here. Guys, what I'm asking you, my subscribers, what I'm really asking you from my heart, pray for me, guys, pray for me. I really want to do outdoor cooking here in Nyabuhansa. So your prayers, your support, it is highly needed. Yeah, Support your boy, support your boy. I really need to do outdoor cooking, amazing videos, crazy ideas from and I'll try cooking different types of food, different types from different traditions, you know. So because I've been watching some other people's channels and seeing they're doing wonders, you know. And how are they doing wonders? Because the type of cooking they're cooking, it's the same type which I can also cook. So I want to try my level best so as I can reach where I aim, you know. So your prayers, your support by subscribing to my channel, sharing my videos to other people, comment positively. Yeah, that will be very amazing, you know. And one day, one time, I'll be telling you guys we are road to 10K, you know. But now I'm telling you guys road to 1,000 subscribers, only 1,000 subscribers. So yeah, step 2, I'm just going to add some cooking oil in here. Yeah, let's come close. Yeah, some cooking oil over in there. Yeah. After that, my salt is around here. Yeah. After there, I'm just going to add my onions in. This is low budget cooking, guys. Guys, our tomatoes are ready, so I'm just going to add our vegetables in. This is green vegetable, famous vegetable in East Africa, here in Kenya. This is a famous vegetable in Kenya. Either you go to the schools, they eat the same anywhere. Yeah. Guys, our food is ready. Yeah. Yeah, so there step one is cooking our vegetables. Normally we like the first thing we need to cook our vegetables. Then the second we cook our ugali. You know that this is I used to see since when I was young how my parents were cooking till now. Even it's like a traditional, or it's normal done that way. We first cook vegetable or any food that maybe it's a meat or it's a vegetable, whatever, is when now you cook ugali. You understand? So because the ugali, if you cook the ugali first, the ugali will be cool, and it's very sweet when it is hot. Yeah, so the vegetable, it's not a big deal. You can just return it to the jiko and warm it, then you use it. But for the ugali, it needs to be taken while it is hot. So step 2, I'm just going to cook my ugali here. So come with me while I'm cooking my ugali, and I hope till this moment you still enjoy. And to my premier gang, I hope you really enjoy. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate. Just washing my. This is mwiko. This is my mwiko. I was just using to cook my vegetable. So now I'm washing it so as I can cook with ugali. Yeah. This is my ugali, and the water. You know the steps of cooking ugali. The water need to get boiled. Yeah, it need to boil. I don't know how many percent, but it need to boil until it starts shaking. Is where now you add a flour. Yeah, this is corn flour. You add in, then you start mixing pole. Some other people may be in shock that, hey, guy, why a lot of ugali and you are alone? Yeah, guys, I have a cameraman. He is just a friend. I asked him to film me because the cooking, you can't do it by your own, because I don't have a stand. So I really need the support from someone who will hold the camera for me, so as I can make a delicious food and an amazing video. So you mix it. You'll be adding some little what, corn, not too much. It's boring, it's boring. But when you make something that is smooth, so you mix until all of it is until you can't see the what we call the corn. Yeah, corn flour. So you mix it. Yeah. And my gas, I hope it is soon going over. I can see the signals. It has started showing me some signals, giving 2 flames, a blue flame, and I don't know, it's the yellow. So those are the signals that it is telling me I should get prepared. Oh, this thing is really disturbing me today. I don't know why. this is how we cook an African food. Yeah, not a lot of things, guys, just simple and clear. You see, simple and fast. Simple and fast. So after there, I'm just going to use the same plate. Now let me just use the other one. Use this one. As you can see, it is removing a sweat. It is sweating. Yeah, ugali is sweating. It is ready for use. Yeah. So this one, I'm going to add some water so as it can be easy to wash. You see? Yes. So our food is ready, and next I'm just going to add to serve. I'm serving for our friend, for him. Just serving for a friend. Yes. And one. I'm also serving some vegetables over here. Yes. Yeah, guys, this is our food of today. I don't know if I can get a good thumbnail from there, but yeah, that's enough. So guys, this is lunch of today. So I really welcome all of you so that we can have this, but also for me, before I take my food, let's get a word of prayer. Father in heaven, thank you for giving us this food. Thank you so much. Please give other people also as you give us. For those who didn't have food, please help them so that they can get food of today. I hope you'll do so. I pray and believe in Jesus' name. Amen. Yeah, so this time I'm going to take my food. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I hope here there's a lot of sun. Just come this side. Yes, big thanks to the Almighty God for this blessing of lunch. It's not easy, guys. Right now, there are some other people who don't know what to eat, and they don't expect about eating. They only maybe think maybe in the evening, or maybe tomorrow, or by God's grace, But a lot of things. I have all reasons to give thanks to Jesus. Yes, but right now I'm so very happy. My stomach is okay. Also, my brain is now okay because there was nothing in. So even now, you see, I have a glass of water. Just squeezing I'm squeezing the food to go and settle in some a certain place where it really comfortable also it. So by this time, big thanks to everyone who joined in. Big thanks to everyone who subscribed to my channel. All new subscriber to my channel, thank you so much. God bless you more and more. Also for those who we started since day one, thank you so much for continue being with me. Thank you so much. A lot of thanks. So this time marks the end of my video. It was about cooking at my own apartment here this morning. Let me just say it's in the morning because now it's around 5. Yeah, so I just cooked today. I just try today, though there is no electricity, but I'll try my level best to upload my video early and see if I can do another video by God's grace. So your prayers, your support, subscribe to my channel is highly needed. So thank you so much for watching till this moment. My premier gang, thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like and share to everyone who joined this channel. Thank you so much. Wish you all the best. Bye bye.